In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use preview mode on your Squarespace website. Preview mode is the quickest way to see your site the way a visitor will, without the editing menus and outlines getting in the way. It's perfect for checking spacing, typography, buttons, and interactions before you share your work more broadly. Let's walk through how to get there and how to make the most of it. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and click Website. This takes you into the site editor, where you normally build and adjust your pages. If you're already in the editor, you're good to go. Give the page a second to fully load so images, fonts, and any section backgrounds render clearly. That way, your preview will be accurate. Next, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the preview icon. It usually looks like an eye. When you click it, the editing sidebar and on-page controls disappear, leaving you with a clean visitor-style view of your site. You're now in preview mode. From here, scroll your page slowly and pay attention to the details you might miss during editing. Check how headings wrap on smaller lines, whether paragraph spacing feels comfortable, and if your buttons are consistent in size and style. Hover over image blocks and galleries to confirm hover effects feel intentional. If you've added animations or parallax backgrounds, watch for smoothness and timing. Preview is great for spotting anything that feels too fast, too slow, or a bit jumpy. Try clicking through your navigation just like a visitor would. Open drop-downs, test calls to action, and verify that links point where they should. If you use announcement bars, pop-ups, or promotional banners, confirm they appear at the right time and don't crowd critical content. Forms should load correctly and show clear labels and submit buttons, though keep in mind, some integrations may behave slightly differently when you're logged in. Resize your browser window to get a quick sense of how your layout responds on smaller screens. Text should remain legible, images should crop or scale gracefully, and buttons should stay easy to tap. If anything feels tight or misaligned, remember, it's easier to spot and fix those issues now than after publishing changes broadly. When you're done reviewing, click the same preview icon again to return to the editor. This lets you jump right back in to making adjustments based on what you observed. Use preview mode often as you build. Toggling in and out takes only a moment and can save you from surprises later.